Good morning, good morning, good morning. All you smoke maniacs, barbecuers, barbecuettes. This video right here I'm shooting is pretty much a diary of how you need. That's for me. How I need to do better taking care of my stuff. This here is the my flat griddle top I got made, custom made. Um, Retiring out the Navy, I wasn't keeping up with everything I should, and as you can see, she is a mess. Every inch of her is a mess. Didn't have the right place to store, but again, that's what you get when you get great things and don't know where to put them up at. So like kids with their toys, you gotta be punished sometimes. So my punishment is to make this look brand new, or very close to how she looked when I got her from my boy Tyler. Don't nobody tell him though, please. Real embarrassing. So I'm gonna put some work in on this today, and I'm gonna record it so everyone can see. All right, that's it. I'm not even gonna show my face on this video till I get this thing looking right. All right, it's your boy Smoking with Smitty. Embarrassed right now. Here we go. Put some elbow grease in. One. Alright, get now. Get that old grease off first. Wrong grease for one. Trying to treat it all like cast iron, so you got season. All right, I'm gonna do a small break right here, small break shot. You know where I'm at right now. So I done pulled almost all that messed up vegetable grease out, old messed up vegetable grease I was using. I got almost down to the shine. It's just me and a scraper going in on it. So putting work in. It's getting there. Just an oversized cast iron skillet. All right, you can see where I'm at. All right, it's your boy. Making some headway here, as you can see. Doing a lot of this by scraping. Scraping gets a lot of it off, material off. So when I get down to the non-metal buffing, I start buffing it out, polishing it out, it won't be gumming up on me. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm prepping everything for that. I'm taking so much time. Yes, I got my little wire wheel, but I don't want that to gum up neither. So trying to make sure everything's off before I get that, because step 2, which is my wire wheel. Then I go to the polisher. Try to get all this. So has anybody else besides me did something dumb? I mean, just blatant not taking care of your stuff. And I know a lot of people like, man, you got a Shirley Fab, I can't believe you did that. Man, stuff started going on in your life, and you got everything going on, all type of stuff going on with you. You just get off focus on stuff. So get back on the grind right now. Focus back on everything. 2 days I am officially retired out of active service, so kind of weird. Like very weird. You're doing something so long and then you're not doing it anymore. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good, you know what I'm saying? Get everything refocused. Retune myself and get out there, get to working. So yeah, anybody, again, I got another friend, I know y'all know D and everything, but anybody that's in the Florida area, hit me up on my Instagram, on my I got a YouTube business for cooking / smoking with Smitty, because everyone know I do a lot more than just doing this right here, a lot more than just smoking meat. So I like getting out there having fun with it. But if anybody in the area that wanna, get together, do a video, we can just do really want to get into it, we can do a competition. We can go at head to head. We'll go Facebook Live. and we'll just cook up, have fun, enjoy ourselves, no hard feelings. But you know, if you come to my city, you're gonna go back with, you're gonna get that smoke. I'm just saying, you're gonna take that L, you're gonna get that smoke. So hit your boy up, man. Let me get back, stop talking trash, and get back on my messing up around here. All right, it's your boy Smoke with Smitty. Be easy. All right, good. Get a little stale vinegar. Quick wipe down. Neutralize them. Scared myself for a minute. Neutralize some of that rust. And work I'm putting in today on and learning today. Take care of your stuff. I'm gonna do a cook on it, do a volunteer cook a lot of burgers for the kids or something. So I'm getting really seasoned in. Oh man, this thing is heavy. That's down. Let that set for a few minutes. And I'm probably go overboard, and I'm gonna go back with another abrasive, build it back up again, and do another takeoff with the vinegar. Let this dry out. Come right behind it again with another abrasive rub. I'm just sanding different course. And you see what we got. Then to be time to season it. Let it bake all day in this hot Florida heat. Alright guys. Alright, the sun is almost on me. I got my non-abrasive end on. Hit this one more time. All right, the sun's starting to come out. So now it's time to start working. I got me some good old peanut oil. My old trusty bread. First, everything goes downhill, so of course, yep, and this first coat on. I know people are like, how you gonna put that in the whole oven? I'm not. I'm gonna sit out here in this Florida heat and let it sit for like 4 hours. I'm gonna put another coat on and continue the process on top. Stack them on, let them bake on. crevice. Handles, everything. Alright, that's it. Okay, coat number 1 is applied. Must say, looking 100 times better than what she did before. So don't be like me. I gotta do like maybe 3 or 4 more coats of this and get it to take in. There go the good old sun coming out. So yeah. Oh, good way to spend your Sunday when you don't pick up your toys and clean them off like you should. But it's all good though. Alright, coat 1 down, let it set. Come back for coat 2 later. 1, it's your boy, Smoking with Smitty. Alright, I done let it set. Let her set all day. Look at that mirror finish. The oil is heavy. Yeah, it's looking good. I'm seeing the reflection back of the crib. Yeah, man. So yeah, came out good. So now I know not to mess around and take care of my toys. So this is just one of them. All right, guys. It's your boy, Smoking with Smitty.